and welcome to Reading Wednesday. Today I'll be reading from the Aesop's Fables, The Hare and the Tortoise. A hare was making fun of the tortoise one day for being so slow. "Do you ever get anywhere?" he asked with a mocking laugh. "Yes," replied the tortoise, "and I get there sooner than you think. I'll run you a race and prove it." The hare was much amused at the idea of running a race with a tortoise, but for the fun of the thing he agreed. So the fox, who had consented to act as judge, marked the distance and started the runners off. The hare was soon far out of sight, and to make the tortoise feel very deeply how ridiculous it was for him to try a race with a hare, he lay down beside the course to take a nap until the tortoise should catch up. The tortoise, meanwhile, kept going slowly but steadily, and, after a time, passed the place where the hare was sleeping. But the hare slept on peacefully, and when at last he did wake up, the tortoise was near the goal. The hare now ran his swiftest, but he could not overtake the tortoise in time. So basically the moral is slow and steady wins the race, or the race is not always to the swift. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope you'll subscribe. I hope that you will leave me a comment about what you'd like me to read next on Reading Wednesday. On Tuesdays, we'll be having some vocabulary words and sentences where you will get to just hear sentences that are necessary. Sorry, there was a bee just went by. That's life on the farm. And on Fridays, we'll have farm lifestyle videos where we talk about things on the farm or things that go on in our everyday and daily lives. So I hope you'll stay tuned. I hope you'll subscribe. That's my dog, Dimitri, behind me. Everybody has to be in the picture here on the farm. So God bless, and I will see you in the next video.